In this video, we are going to use ratio reasoning to convert customary units of measure. So measurements can also be converted using equivalent ratios or proportions. So in this question, it says how many cups are in 8 quarts? Well, first of all, when I look up here, here are my cups and quarts. So 4 cups equals 1 quart, or 1 quart equals 4 cups. So as I set this up, I'm going to have my cups to quarts, and that would then equal 4 cups to 1 quart, and I have 8 quarts. So I want to know how many cups there are. So again, I can do my cross multiplication here and do 8 times 4, which would give me 32. Well, I just have 1 here, and I know that 32 divided by 1 is still 32. So my answer here would be 32 cups are in 8 quarts. So this one says how many pounds are in 96 ounces? Well, when I look here, here's my pounds and ounces. So again, I'm going to compare my ounces to my pounds. And I know that according to this, 16 ounces is 1 pound. And I know that I have 96 ounces, and I'm trying to figure out how many pounds that is. So again, I can cross multiply. So 96 multiplied by 1 gives me 96. And I'm going to divide by my 16 there. So 96 divided by 16 gives me 6. So that means in this problem, there are 6 pounds in 96 ounces. Says how many yards are in 126 feet? Well, here's my comparison for yards and feet. So it says 1 yard equals 3 feet. So I'm going to compare my feet to yards. And I have 3 feet in 1 yard. In this case, I have 126 feet. I want to know how many yards there are. So again, I will cross multiply. So I'd have 126 multiplied by 1, which is 126. So then I would take 126 divided by 3, which is this 3 right here. And that would give me 42. So in 126 feet, there are 42 yards. This question asks, how many inches are there in 15 yards? So I look up here and I find my inches to yards. And so I compare inches to yards. And according to this up here, there are 36 inches in 1 yard. And I have 15 yards. And I want to know how many inches that is. So again, I cross multiply. So I would take 36 multiply by 15. And 36 multiplied by 15 is 540. Well, if I take 540 and divide it by 1, that just gives me 540. So in this case, 15 yards gives me 540 inches.